Hello, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're going to tackle how to set up Slack's daily briefings in this full 2025 guide. Let's get started right away. First, make sure you're logged into your Slack account. Now, once you're on your workspace, click on your workspace name located at the top left corner of your screen. This allows you to access the main menu where you can find the Preferences option. The reason we do this is because the Preferences section is where you can control the settings for your daily updates. Next up, click on Preferences, then go to the Messages and Media tab. Here, you'll see an array of options, but what you want to find is the Daily Briefings section. This helps us because it's here where we manage the frequency and content of the daily briefings you receive. In the Daily Briefings section, check the box that says Enable Daily Briefings. This will turn on the Daily Updates feature in Slack. Now, you'll notice there are several options below. You can choose whether you want to receive briefings every day or only on weekdays. You can also select the time you want to receive them. This matters because it gives you control over when and how frequently you get your updates. Now that we've done that, you can customize your daily briefings even further. You can choose to include messages from specific channels or exclude others. This is important because it allows you to focus on the most relevant updates from the channels you care about most. Lastly, once you're happy with your settings, remember to hit Save Changes. This will ensure all your preferences are updated. Let me explain why this matters. Without saving, all your selections will be lost and you won't receive your desired daily briefings. And there you have it. You've successfully set up Slack's daily briefings. It's an easy way to keep yourself updated without having to go through every channel. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.